Today is even doubly special for me because even though I am Becca's maid of honor, both of these people are my two greatest friends that I've ever had. I feel so grateful that I got to see their relationship go from a quirky, awkward friendship to the amazing family that they've now started here today. I could not be more happy to be your constant third wheel, and I love you both so much. I am so deeply grateful for the past decade, and I cannot wait to see the next several decades for both of you to grow.
Is where I feel alive, my safety and my shelter. Your love is my home. You are the harbor set on my shore. You are the shelter from every storm. This is where I call home.
Now, the one night I knew, I was like, okay, Carl's serious. Me and my brother texted you. You may not remember it. We're like, hey, boys' night in the city, Carl. Let's go. And the response was, oh, sorry, we can't. And I went, oh, okay. The I is a we. We're there, we're there. In the sun or rain, in the joy or pain, you'll be my home, yeah. In the dark or light, through the hardest fight, you'll be my home, yeah. In the sun or rain, in the joy or pain, you'll be my home, yeah. In the dark or light, through the hardest fight, you'll be my home, yeah. Your love is like no other. Your love is where I feel alive, my safety and my shelter. Your love is my home. Your love has won me over. I'll always stay here by your side, my safety and my shelter. Your love is my home.
May you have a blessed life together. The older you get, the better you get. Unless you're a banana. Cheers.